Hi, welcome back to the channel Hard to Set Info, and today let's discuss how to mass delete tweets on X. First of all, you have to know that X doesn't have a built-in bulk delete button. Instead, there are two main ways how you can mass delete your X tweets from your X account, and the first one is to manually delete all tweets. And the second way is to use third-party tools, for example, TweetDelete. Here I have another website that is called TweetDeleter. That is also this third-party tool that you can use, but you have to keep in mind that all those tools are not free, and you usually have to pay for unlimited or large-scale deletions. So basically, if you want to use this third-party tool, you have to log into your X account and then basically choose filters with which you want to delete your X posts. It could be all posts, posts in a certain date, etc. And basically confirm the bulk delete action, and you will have your posts deleted. So let me show you how to manually delete your X posts. You have to tap your profile picture at the top left and then go to your profile. And now here you can see several tabs that my account is divided. You have to go to posts section right here and find specific post that you want to delete and tap three-dot button next to it and select delete post and tap delete to confirm. And basically repeat this action for every single post, one by one. So that's basically it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, please like it and subscribe to our channel for more content like this.